Smart Explorers! Welcome back to Vocab with Aileen, where big words become your best friends. Yay! Today's word sounds very serious, but don't worry, we'll make it fun. It's veracity. Nope, it's not a magic spell, and it's definitely not a type of a vegetable. Veracity means telling the truth or how true something really is. If something has veracity, it's honest. No tricks, no funny business. Like, if your dog really ate your homework, we must check the veracity of that story. Alright. Or, if you say you brushed your teeth, but your toothbrush is dry, very questionable veracity. Now let's see how we can use it in our sentences. The teacher checked the veracity of the student's story about the missing lunchbox. Or, my mom doubted the veracity of my claim that I cleaned my room in 10 seconds. And that's today's two-tactic word, friends. Yay! Remember, veracity means keeping it real and telling the truth. Wow! Keep learning, keep laughing, and keep being awesome. Yay! See you next time, only on Vocab with Aileen. Bye!